time to brace for more major flooding in Davenport. Those HESCO barriers are being installed again less than a month after being removed. It's tonight's top story. Public Works crews started doing it this morning on River Drive between Bechdel Park and Perry Street. Local 4 News spoke with city officials today. They say they're still working on determining what caused the barrier to give way last month. Now they're going to reinforce the barrier this time. Local 4's Tahir Rahman reports how they plan to do it.
Davenport crews have been out here all day installing flood protection measures. Now the city says that they're going to try to do things a little bit differently in order to avoid the barrier breaking like it did last month. But even so, some neighbors tell me that they still have some concern about what lies ahead.
It made me nervous because barriers go up and it's kind of like a warning that more is coming.
A warning that comes as the city is still cleaning up the Mississippi's last mess.
All of the destruction that it's caused. And it definitely worries me about the next flood because it hits harder. It's going to be a lot worse.
Destruction that Harshad Bavdekar has seen before.
Coming from Houston, I have been through a few of hurricanes and floods before. So yes, it is a major concern. I have had friends who have lost their cars or had floods in their houses and had to basically get back with everything, getting back on the feet. I know how difficult it is. I've been through that.
He and others worry that another round of flooding will set the city back again.
Businesses could be flooded like over again, the parking lot downtown, just River Drive completely flooded. I think it could be something serious again.
They say they were shocked when these barriers broke last month.
It did surprise me. I thought we would have had taken better precautions.
This time, Davenport's Public Works Director says they're taking extra measures, building the wall twice as high and deep. Neighbors hope the barriers will hold and the river will show a little mercy.
I don't think anyone has won a fight against Mother Nature yet.
Mississippi is pretty big and powerful, so it kind of does what it wants.
It's something Grace Wickwire, a Quad Cities native, has learned to accept.
The river is amazing until it floods. But, you know, it kind of wouldn't be the Mississippi without flooding.
Crews are expected to finish installation on Friday. The river could get up to 22 feet. Our new record is 22.7. In Davenport, Tahir Rahman, Local 4 News.